Hey there! In this video, we'll cover how to amend a subscription in Turnstile, so when a deal changes mid-contract, your subscription terms and future invoices actually reflect the new agreement. On the customer page, find the subscription that needs to be updated and click Manage Amend. You'll be prompted to choose how to proceed. Select Amend Subscription directly to apply changes immediately without sending a quote. That's the path we'll take today. If your process requires the customer to review and sign off on the changes, you'd select Amend with Quote. Next, select your amendment effective date. The dates listed are based on the existing invoice schedule for the subscription, so your changes will take effect at a clean billing boundary. If you need changes to take effect at a different time, you can enter a custom date. Once you've selected your date, go ahead and click Create Amendment. We're now on the Amendment Details page. This is where you can update the subscription. Pricing, terms, billing frequency, products, contract length, or any combination of those. Make the changes that you want for this subscription, and then click Review and Confirm. The review screen gives you a side-by-side comparison of the original subscription and the amended version with changes highlighted. If anything looks off, you can click Edit Amendment to go back and make adjustments. But when everything is accurate, click Review Billing. You'll see the updated billing schedule so you confirm the invoice impact before anything is finalized. When everything looks good, you can click Confirm Amendment. The subscription's updated immediately, and your amended terms are going to be reflected on the customer page going forward. And that's making amendment in Turnstile. The subscription record stays accurate, your invoice schedule reflects the real deal, and your team has a clear history of what changed. For more information or to get in touch with our team, visit turnstile.ai.